Hello everyone, welcome to our interior channel. The all-new Nissan Murano is expected to be released in the late 2024 or early 2025 as 2026 model year SUV. According to the latest rumors, the V6 engine will be replaced by 4-cylinder turbo and a plug-in hybrid powertrain as an option. After the next generation had been inspired with the new interior, we have illustrated the new model with some color options. Please check and let us know if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Let's go!